Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into VeChain Vet. This is a coin we've been talking about on the channel for quite some time, and there's great reasons as to why. We see a 4.21% increase in just the last 24 hours, VeChain pushing all the way up to about 14, almost 15 cents. If we take a look at the last week, you can see that there is still volatility in the market, as just, earlier in the week, we had a push all the way up to this 15-cent mark, dropped down to about 12 to 13 cents, and now we are back on the move to 14 to 15 cents yet again. So volatility is always going to remain, whether it's a bull or bear market. You guys should know that by now. I've always been telling you guys to be very, very careful when investing with crypto because of that. But we do see 5% of an increase in the last week, even with this most recent dip down and then a push back up. So if we take a look at the last month, what's going on? Well, 65.63% increase is what's going on. A very, very solid increase for VeChain holders, seeing that it's come all the way from about 8 cents to this 14 to 15 cent range, and then, continuing on around 14 cents right now. We see the market cap right now at $8.8 billion. We have volume in the last 24 hours right around $570 million. Still, in my opinion, a very, very undervalued coin. I've talked about why this is and where we could be seeing it by the end of the year and the end of the bull market, but today we are going to recover that as well as jump into all of the news and hype surrounding VeChain and the most recent push of 66% in the last month. If we take a look at the very first tweet, it talks about VeChain Foundation tweeting, "We are excited to announce VeChain Thor V 1.6.0 is live, meaning POA 2.0 Phase 1 activation is set in motion. Testnet November 5th, 8 a.m. GMT, and then mainnet November 16th, 8 a.m. GMT. So what POA 2.0, what is it, and why does it make VeChain the strongest public blockchain is something that they answer down below. So they're proud to say POA 2.0 is the first protocol of its kind in the world. It combines the two main types of blockchain consensus mechanisms, and they eliminate their weaknesses but benefit from their strengths. I'm not going to go through all of this because there is quite a bit of tweets. The one thing I will say is, though, we can't wait to share our journey with you over the years ahead. There are great changes coming to the global economy, and digitalization will be key really for underpinning force. So VeChain is ready to provide the backbone for the industry 4.0 and beyond. Finality is part of the future upgrades at VIP 200 and not part of this first phase. So keep that in mind. I do want to jump, though, guys, into the next tweet. This one talks more about we can't wait to share our journey, like I said earlier, with the really over the next couple of years, really. And I think this is something that really a lot of people should be looking into. This tweet specifically, they are very excited about the future. They've been telling us many, many times they can't give us all of the details behind the scenes. Again, I think this is not a this bull market coin. I think this is a long-term 2, 3, 4 bull markets from now. This is going to be a coin you were definitely excited or happy about getting involved with. I do want to jump into the next tweet. This one talking about VeChain is proud to power new client recipe, lending a competitive edge in China's multi-billion-dollar market. As a green tech provider, we believe healthier lifestyles are really utmost importance, and we are proud to deliver for both people and the planet. So definitely another great combination of partnerships there. I do want to jump into Crypto.com, though, guys. If you guys don't know much about what's happening with Crypto.com, you can see Matt Damon here on the face of Crypto.com. So what's going on? What's happening? Well, why is Matt Damon in the latest ambassador of Crypto.com? Well, they talk about presented in an inspiring video on their website. Crypto.com has officially presented Matt Damon as their latest ambassador. Also, the platform has partnered with Solana Foundation to bring USDC. Finally, the exchange has launched its latest NFT collection focused on Halloween. So a lot of great things going on here with Crypto.com. If you guys want to take advantage of a coin and really of an exchange that's doing well, jump over to Crypto.com using my link down in the description below. It should help you out a little bit when you get started. But the big thing is, guys, if you jump over here, you're going to see that there's 10 million plus users buying and selling 150 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. And you can actually spend with your Crypto.com Visa card to get up to 8% back. And you can also grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets, which is an insanely valuable, really, return there. Passive income, something that I've been talking about on this channel for a while, definitely needs more people to be taking advantage of it. This week, I'm joining the VeChain Foundation as Head of Technology for Sustainable Development Goals, SDG. We will be building the SDGs ecosystem, a lot more to come, so please stay tuned. This is by Antonio Senator, so another great person jumping on board with the VeChain Foundation. As we look a little bit farther forward, we have another tweet to take a look at. This one talking this time about VeChain will attend CIIE to showcase our green blockchain technology to the world. surging interest in responsible investing, providing the perfect platform for VeChain to broaden audiences' understanding of blockchain, digitalization, and circular economics, or sorry, economics. But you guys get what's going on here. We're continuing to basically bridge out or, expand our ecosystem, also expanding the knowledge surrounding and understanding of VeChain. A lot of people don't really realize what VeChain's doing, what they're trying to accomplish, what they are accomplishing. So this is great to continue to have this showcased. And the green blockchain, a lot of blockchains out there, a lot of different currencies and ecosystems are not as green as VeChain. If we take a look at this news article here, it covers VeChain's price prediction. VET is capped at 0.157, but for how long? So a lot of people talking about that 16-cent push up to hopefully that 20 and 22-cent push, and then a 28-cent all-time high push to about 29 cents. I do want to talk about my price predictions for the end of the year, the end of the bull market. But before we do so, guys, I do want to bring you over to my Twitter. So Crypto Profit YT on Twitter, if you guys are interested, follow me there. But one thing I want to give you guys an opportunity for is $40 link to be given away at the end of October if we hit $40 chain link by then. All you have to do is retweet and follow to be entered. I understand we're probably not going to be hitting $40 chain link or $40 chain link in the month of October, but we will be just adding another giveaway. So in the month of November, very, very soon, there'll be a tweet up. Make sure to retweet and follow that one. And, I want to jump back over to this VeChain price because we have a lot to talk about when it comes down to the price prediction. What's going to be the price by the end of the year, the end of the bull market? What are we expecting? Well, if you guys heard me earlier, I did talk about how this is a 2 to 3 bull markets from now. Really hold for myself. I think this is going to be a coin that helps with the retirement. That's for sure. I think this is a VeChain ecosystem here hold that's going to make a lot of sense. 14 cents right now, still very, very undervalued in my opinion at $8.8 billion. As the crypto space continues to grow, institutional as well as retail investors getting involved with a coin like VeChain, we are going to see this price obviously increase. With that, I'm expecting VeChain this year to be pushing anywhere between 20 to 25 cents by the end of this year. At the very, very least, guys, I've been talking anywhere from 20 to 50 cents really is an accurate prediction in my opinion. By the end of the bull market, though, that's where I think we could start seeing potentially some bigger returns. And I think we could be seeing anywhere between 60 cents to 80 cents, 60 cents to $1, right around that range. I think 60 cents is going to be the low ball, the price prediction that I always want to give you guys. Like I said, that low price prediction is usually why, why a lot of people trust me. I'm trying to stay on the realistic, conservative side of things when it comes to price predictions. I always stick with my TA being on the lower side. So that's exactly what I'm going to say here, 60 to 80 cents, 60 to 90 cents as a price prediction for the end of the bull market. I think 2 to 3 bull markets from now, this is going to be a coin you guys wish you invested in, I will say right now. So make sure to, do your own research. Make sure to do your own kind of due diligence here. I am not a financial advisor, so thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.